Alright, thank you guys for watching as always. We love the fact that you guys are subscribing. We are at 140,000 subscribers finally. So I want to say thank you to every single person that has subscribed to the channel. And for the ones that haven't subscribed as yet, subscribe right now.
Richie, what on? Yeah, go on. You see, I do some hard work to do.
Yeah, man, I'm there at a little place and I see me can show a little mall.
Man, I come to show you a pre now.
So where's that, man?
Also, I think we're going to police force though.
Well, I mean, I know you're interested enough it on police. You see me, cause I mean, you me see bad things are going on with police. I get a problem and I get losing job for all different type of reasons. I didn't see her as a police, you see me?
Boy, I don't like some, I just want to be police for. Just the police here. Don't want to be police for a good reason. Cause every time I look around now, I realize say, picnic them around red, then I no father. You understand? Every friend of me know them I say, them baby father not take care of them picnic. Me not like that. I want to put a stop into it. Cause remember I know, for mother I know, for father give for mother hell you know. And me never like that. If me could have put a stop into that from when younger, would have do it. But now, me decide say a time.
I understand what you say still. At least you want to go in and force a good reason still. You see me? At least we can still go changes in Jamaica.
Yeah man.
Cause me never even like how that they go on either, but you don't know it is what it is.
Well, me just you want to go and show you still, cause but say I'm a bigger brother, you know. We don't really make decisions without each other, so.
Alright, well, just do what you have to do still. Be happy for you. Just do what you have to do. But let's see if we can fill up that place still before rain start fall. It look like rain go fall.
Don't come here now to know I reach back down, so look more here.
Alright, sis, alright?
Yeah man.
Yeah, man. Hello. You know, say I said the reserve for me and my nephew. But I mean, I can't sit down still.
With all your respect, I don't see a tag on it or your names. It's a free park.
Yeah, but I throw away this. But that good still, you're not worried. Yeah.
Okay.
My name is Rupert.
My name is Lizzie.
Lizzie?
Yes.
Oh my god, that's a very beautiful name for a very beautiful girl. Where are you from, Lizzie?
Is that really necessary?
Come on, I'm not a serial killer, you know, so therefore I just feel know what if you're like from St. Thomas or Portland or one of them places. You know you're very beautiful. You look miserable though, but like you can't work with it.
We have the moments and at times.
Listen, you're too nice. You're so miserable, you know. I want somebody to break that smile off your face and lighten up your face.
I'm okay.
Come on. You can't let your guard down and have your defense up, so you know.
I'm not being defensive. We just meet up, my shadow, giving already smiling and everything.
Come on.
Hi, young man. You alright? With all that aside, I like the band though.
Yeah, man. I mean, you can't take my number, you know. And link me. You can talk off the ear.
We
I
don't
mean,
really have to talk about.
yeah, if you have a bad day, you can tell me about it. If you have a good day, you can tell me about it. All if you don't have nothing to talk about, you can just talk.
You know what? You can give me your number.
So that me say? Come, me know you feel like me a rush you or anything like that. Make sure you call me, you know.
No, I promise you that, but we'll see.
Alright, nice to meet you again, Lizzie.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh. Yes. Hey bro, what going? Yeah man, you know say me have good news to tell you though. No, say me just a come from training school though. Get the job man. Not true. Not even take off my uniform, make me just reach my house.
Yeah, man, me like that, man. Me like that, because at least can't say, boy, I'm never send you to school, you know.
Me I tell you, me proud of myself man.
Yeah, man. But one day, thing, man, I just be safe out there and be vigilant, you don't know, say, out there rough, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Be safe, right?
Alright, and thanks for it.
So, one of them day, man, you come here, put man and thing, you see me?
Alright bro. Everything alright on your side though?
Yeah, man, me there, man. When maybe later, I'm going to pick up the baby from being mother.
Oh, okay. Alright then bro.
Yeah, man, there's anything you come on.
Alright.
Yeah.
So Liz, Rupert could you follow you go to clinic?
From man, he may pay to wait for him, you know. And I know me not see him show up. And me can't do the whole day thing, so me just left out and call him for that.
Boy, oh, me soon happy and a guana after pregnancy. Him start move away.
From me pregnant, I pay a little him excuse him change over me not see him. He not call me and say how you feeling, nothing at all. I'm just there on my own.
But wait, no him that.
Rupert! Jesus Christ, and get wicked, so boy. You know, them say wait for you from man, and me there for you that wait for you if you follow me to the clinic.
Listen to me, that the pit in the belly, he alright when there, you know. You chat about that, and my client then thief and right there, I should even know, you know, man. I dead money for dead for my client, you know.
Right now it seems like a prison you want to go, you know. And you just don't want to be a part of the pitney life. You can't tell me, you know, me just love you out, because right now me stress out. From me pregnant are different, you.
Listen, Jesus Christ, man, you still a chat about this pitney and the pitney they even born it. Me a chat about my client here telling about blasted pitney. Eh?
So
Yeah,
come follow me to the clinic and tap in here.
listen, me can't come on clinic, you know.
Jesus Christ, Rupert, you even can't call one taxi then if you can't go drop me a clinic. Get the sun hot, you know.
Just left me for the day, man. Make me try and sort out this, man. If me don't have no money, how me take care of it and me a worry about my client? Eh? At $33,000 me have my client, pan.
It's alright, Rupert. Alright, sit taxi
So one
here.
taxi here.
Buff me in. Buff me in. Let her ring later. Rupert!
Yo,
You pick me up. Before you not give me pick nothing at all, me feel walk you done, brother.
easy yourself, man. I'm here. Come on, my daughter. Come on, my daughter. Me picnic.
Come here, daughter.
Come on, daddy. Come on, daddy. Yeah. Come on, daddy. I'm a bad man. What happened? Eh? What happened?
Poor innocent pick you next. I know you're ungrateful.
You favor me again.
Just come see no father. Yeah. I want money me come from for your picnic. Cause me not have nothing.
Yo, mama. You hear me say no, man? Me not nothing, you know.
That
Me
have
nah-
nothing to do with me. You ever have money? No, tell me nothing at all.
Me not no money, you know, my youth. Watch out, man. More some people run around bar run this from when and every minute them a pressure, man. I just let the money them have. I don't have no money, you know. I'm here.
So you probably be a Barbie and you know, say me there with the picnic and struggle. Hmm?
So what you want then, look? Unlock me up because me owe them from when? Eh?
Yeah, I'll get where I come to you, man. Give me the picnic. Give me the
Easy, man.
picnic. I'll
Easy.
get where I come to you. Come!
Easy.
Come!
Come, then don't tell up, daddy. Don't tell up, daddy.
So
Fuck
I
me up
mean,
here.
you want carrier done here, you know, man.
Easy yourself, man.
Uncle,
Look
how
on
your
this.
picnic love you. Look how your picnic love you and look what you do. Just look what you do and look how your picnic love you. And you're not paying no little part in your life from you go and you drink and you smoke, you do everything in your book that is bad.
So,
Do not mind your picnic.
So I cannot come back.
Come back where?
Eh?
Come back where? Come do what? And you not mind your picnic, have you? Come.
Love you.
You're going to get where I come to you.
Daddy,
You
love-
must get where I
Easy
come to
yourself, man.
you.
I'm tapping
You must get where
Love
I
you,
come
mommy.
to you.
Love you.
Turn around and don't look. Don't look at him.
Boy, I say go. Me know. You can't get me back. Go ahead.
From morning you know, show no interest like you want to tap none of the taxi them, you know.
Why squadisha you know say? That's not really my interest though. My interest I feel lock up a little dirty worthless baby father them in Jamaica when now my name
But
you.
we have to make a piece of food on the road, you know, it's go.
You have my way of make my food.
Boy, you're bitter, you know, man.
Man, me have to bitter. The road I look dead
But
too.
me understand still, you know. Me understand. Cause all for your brother. You know, do nothing for your picnic, you know.
Where I say?
Nothing at all, Richie, nah do. And that's why me have to out here try make a little dollar. Richie, nah do nothing for your picnic. Nah do nothing at all for
You
your
just
picnic.
tell me that. Hey, you see
Me
how
have
me
it
know?
hard.
No worry yourself.
Me have it hard.
No worry yourself. Me glad you tell me. Cause
Me
you see how
tell-
him you know? I could have my brother some more. Him have to go down.
He
Me a lock
deserve
him
it,
up.
man.
Oh.
He deserve it.
That is what I love to do. Me love lock up man when I take care of the youth. Him, he could have charged stone me I lock him up. And you
He
should tell me
deserve it.
longer time.
He deserve it.
Hey, me did expect you know. Because if you with dirty papa, I see him saying stress free my mother, you know. He no take he no do nothing for we. Stress my mother make she maga down like a tick. So you see that brother don't me have.
And that's
like
why
I say,
he talk so.
I will father and take care of him. Man. No, he said I gotta
If
fix
you
him
do
business.
something about it, man.
I go and fix him business. And Kiara come here, you know. Set up yourself. Richard!
Oh, sis.
Come here.
Hey, what going, sis? Our breeze blow you up here.
What breeze blow me up here? And you may come feel lock up today.
Lock me up for what?
Your baby mother make a report to me. Say you now look boy your youth. I mean I expect that from you. So me have to carry down today because you know say that my job in a Jamaica. To dig up every father for out of dungeon when I take care of their youth.
Sis, you really mean to tell me, say, me, we are your brother, you gonna lock me up?
Me tell you something, man. Me have to carry out this, you know, this instruction. This is a law work and me have to carry out strictly no matter who. You understand? So me have to carry down today no matter what. So anything where you do, go put down that and come. Me have to carry down today.
Sis, listen to me, I tell you,
It's
say.
a serious matter.
Well, no, sis, listen to me, I tell you, say. He pick me live with me. So there is no way me could have not mind me youth. So me no know what kind of vengeance me be a mother have out for me. If I want, she want me back, and to me no want her, why she want make me go to jail? But I'm me the pick me live with. So no take no foolishness from her.
Me not take no foolishness and whether I live with you or not, that's not my business. All me know me have to just do my work.
Listen
and
to
do
me,
it.
sis.
I made a vow to do this job and do it good because you know say few
Sis.
father never take care of it. That was a dirty dog and it's stressful mother. So guess what you have to come down with me now can make a vow and me have to
Well, on, sis,
carry
you
out
mean
this
to
vow.
tell me, say, true what go on with daddy from them the ages there, make you still bitter, so?
You hear me say, brother? This is what me say. Me say, make a vow. You know what is a vow? Me have to carry out the rules. And strictly, me have to carry it out. So all if you have me blood, me no care. Me have to carry down to the...
For me have a picnic, she never give me $1, you know. So,
And you have a
hold on,
picnic?
so you mean to tell me, say, you're gonna lock me up and then try to prove the case?
I know you have a picnic. And she have a picnic.
No, and me picnic in our house asleep.
Brother, You know what? You're lucky, you know. So you're putting in a house asleep.
Yes.
You're lucky. Alright, cause right now I'm eager to lock up people, no matter who you know. Yeah, my brother, but you're lucky today. Me not hate man, you know. Me love man, but still, I have to do my job. You're lucky man.
I listen me there, I'm stressing and missus.
I was stressed, you know.
You know, say little father and I do nothing at all to you. Look at the little girl nice. And the man have the money, you know, and I like saying, have you been there, have you, you do so bad. You been there, have you do so bad.
I wish you this stuff. Yeah, man, not take care of them, man.
I struggle to pay rent and buy something to maintain the picnic, you know.
Here, what? You know, say, I want sister, the police. You can chat to her for you and make you link her. Because I don't work that she do. She lock up man with now my main people.
So you have that link there and tell me. And you see me there struggle.
Boy, not busy the people. Relationship, yeah.
No, the one thing to get locked up still, you know.
See, same thing?
No, the one thing to get locked up, I just want him to mind the little girl. Can you happy? I don't like you, know, Abby. So if you can make it contact and even come with me, get him, would appreciate it.
Yo, no worry yourself. I will call my sister right now. I hope she answers, you know.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yo, Jody, what going?
The day I know.
Why? Something more to do for me, you know.
Oh, your son. But they did say no partner be here, no mean something. How want you?
Oh man, sis, nobody knows trouble. It's a little sister, little friend me have your man, or baby father, now my little baby, you know.
You know that.
So when they can come around me, run the place.
I run a few place you know.
Yeah.
Alright. Tell come now, you know, because this is a serious matter.
Alright, forward now. Come now. Alright. You hear that?
She a come?
Yeah, she a come.
Alright, thanks.
Lock up the boy if you mind.
No, me not go lock him up.
What I say I go on now? Because I'm eager to lock up somebody, you know.
Talk to her.
Because if I come to this community, I'm not to lock up nobody.
The baby father, Rupert Garden. I write name. Baby a 2 years and couple months now. And he never give me not even $10 for baby and he have it.
Baby this, baby.
Yeah.
What a nice little girl. Hey, continue, ma'am.
So me would want you lock him up in a but I want to know how to go about it. To get some fun, see baby. Because I can't do the back and forth thing, quote thing. Because you see through me at work and me and the baby alone, me have people to keep him. Sometimes we beg her keep him. But otherwise, me have nobody to keep the baby.
Well, me I go lock him up, you know. Because see, community where me I come from, they no transfer me for foolishness. They transfer me because I'm a good officer and me lock up people quickly. Especially those type of people. So, where am they now?
You live at Savla or up at Crescent Street.
Oh, you know that street there now. I ready last week. Anyway, you have to take me to him. Because me need to have a word with this young man.
Me if you take it,
Or you tell me where I'm better let me go. Because I'm not afraid, you know. I'm an officer, not afraid. I'm not afraid of anything.
in the Crescent Street, he always there one like a shop. Me show you a picture of the shop. Because I have it from me and him to talk. Alright, then me meet him. And this one, I know saying nobody good.
Him drink rum?
At times, but on a drunkard.
Come, baby, come. Come. Such a nice little baby. I can ensure that
I'm father, I'm a
taken
fight for
care
right
of.
now, you know, but why? I pay daddy in call, not if mommy in call it.
Don't worry yourself. I want to ensure that you face the consequence. Me I go be the judge, juror, and executioner. Me and him. I shall find him and I shall lock him up. And you are going to serve
lock
him.
him up, me not go get nothing of that. That's why I say me not really in a lock up business, because me still
Don't
not
say
get
a
no
word.
money.
The worst is me find him with a gun. You know if he have a gun?
Me not think he have no gun. Me never see him with no gun.
Don't worry yourself. I shall take care of this.
Alright,
When
thanks.
I call somebody like me, I have to make sure no one want because when they come on to me, I have to ensure that the mothers get justice. You know, in the foolishness. Alright? Alright, pretty baby. Take
Alright.
care. Bye-bye. Bye.
Tell the officer bye-bye. Come.
Watch out. Sis, don't worry yourself. We link and talk. I see you made them a story and now my body just a twitch. Don't worry yourself. We link here. Alright.
You know about chopping line.
Hey, you. Good evening, sir. Your name Rupert?
No?
Of course, your name Rupert.
No.
Stick up in right there. No, so me get a report for you. A strong report saying I take care of you. And I am in Jamaica to ensure that every baby father take care of them youth. See, there's a drink and I enjoy yourself about choppy line. Sorry, get up and you come now with me today.
Hold on. What do you mean? Me take care of me youth.
You have proof? You have a receipt or something can show me?
Every day me send money go give my baby mother.
You have to have proof, sir. Words cannot say.
Watch out, man. Oh, me give my woman money, you know. Me just give woman
It
money.
no matter, come, get up. You come down today. Forget the rum, come on.
What you mean?
Sir,
Me not gonna know,
you
see
take me
it.
for a joke? Come, get up,
Mama,
get up. You
Mama.
can't tell me no. Get
Wait,
up, man,
what
get
you
up.
mean?
You know what I mean? Use this for you, know.
Mama, me I take care of me youth.
Come, get up, sir, get up. You
Lady.
want me to back up for you? Get up.
Lady, watch out, man.
Sir,
You can't come do this. Mama, what? Me I not buy this.
Move it, man, move it. Go down, sir.
Mama, I'm to you, man.
Yeah, go down today. Man like you, we are going on and impregnate the little girl, put them or big woman or whoever. I don't want to take care of no sperms. Yeah, go down with me today.
Oh.
You could have chew blood dead or alive. Come. Do you feel like say? Move it, man, move it. What's that? You feel it? Oh, come.
Natasha. Natasha.
Oi.
Come here, I want to talk to you.
Yeah, what? Come on and call. You don't know, say you can't open the girl and come in already.
Me not come to come sit down and have a drink nor a jolly good time. Me come to you because me vex. Oh, listen man, how you fi tell me sister say me nah mind a picnic? How you fi do that?
Me just tell her say the baby not comfortable.
I lock she come fi lock me up, you know?
Maybe I expect her to lock you up.
Then
But
we
just don't want she talk to you.
what you expect her to do? She a police and a that and you a police too and a that the work that she do. She
Just-
love lock up
just-
man when her mind ain't picnic.
Just calm down now. Me never want to be like that. I never somebody maybe she misinterpret what I say, but I never really that me did try explain to her.
Then if I never that way that try explain to her say.
Me just I try tell her say it would have better if me and you did raise the baby together.
Why? Well if I that you tell her it's a big misunderstanding because she come to lock me up and she never cares to me and her brother and sister, you know. And not only that, me and you don't talk about this already. And
Talk
you know
about
say we now get back together. You know that. You know that it's best if me raise a baby and you can see him sometime because you put your job over me.
That's why I say the baby not comfortable.
What do you mean say baby not comfortable?
She can't comfortable when you there over there and me there over here, so.
Listen man, the baby is young, she don't understand what I want, and as me say, your job more important to you than me.
You know what? You can just have it your way. Have it your way, Richie.
Alright.
Have it your way.
Yeah, you can take your baby and keep him for your day off like all today you shouldn't keep him. As a matter of fact, when the driver come let her off, me just send him come down here with her. Alright? I just saw you go. And please, make sure you clarify that with my sister. Because I don't want she come lock me up. Alright?
Just know say I go sorry now, Richie. Yeah, I go sorry.
You know what? Let me take time going because I don't know if I treat our police or check me. Let me take time going later. Look at me.
What would Richie?
sir.
Oh, this officer.
Your name J.R. Phillips?
Yeah, man, what happened here now?
You know, say baby mother make a report say you not mind your youth though. And my job is to make sure say you mind your youth. Every man in Jamaica mind their youth.
Officer, may I tell you the truth right now? You know, say me tell the girl, say, come back here and make me put things together and make we can work out things and he have one next man. Officer, me can't afford for you to take care of 2 yards, you know. Me have to me and make sense in just come here to come and take care. Make we wanna do one thing and done.
So hold on this sir. What you try to tell me say? You try to tell me say if your baby mother not come back and there so with you, you not gonna take care of your youth?
Officer, me I tell you the truth, and me have in mind and have to do it, you know. But you see next man we have, the picture come like a film right now, you know. Because I not put on nothing more, you know. Me I tell you the truth.
Me see you have a bike and you have a bus. Me know it not hard for you to take care of your youth. But guess what? Me not go try case so. Come on a station with me.
Officer, right now, me have my bike there, man. Me can ride my bike with me.
No man, you jeep out the front man. Let your bike and come on.
Officer, embarrassment. Me carry my people in my community.
You know what is an embarrassment? The biggest embarrassment for you right now is that you're not take care of your youth enough. You say other people know nothing and me alone. Come on man, let your bike and come on. Come. By the way, you lock up your house?
Officer, me not turn you along. So
Oh,
me
you-
lock up also.
Oh, you know that? Sorry, lock up your house and come on. Cause right now you good as in case you have to spend a night, lock up your house. Boy, you're not turn long. Come on.
Hey sis, what go on?
Me there. And what kind of breeze blow down here now?
I make you sit down out here wash you down.
Boy, you know the government not pay me good though. So me can't afford to buy a washing machine. Me have to use my hand. Remember you know, for all time days and I use it now. Until now. Oh. So where you go with?
You know say the same youth but the little baby when me dey talk to you about other day, you know.
What about him?
Look like he not learning lesson, you know. Cause from me one time he give the girl money for the baby, he stop mind the baby again.
How what you say to me? That mean you not learn any lesson then? You know, say people like them I make my job nice. But don't worry yourself, I go fix him business proper. I just want to wash them clothes and make them enjoy because I have work a morning.
Boy, sis, me thank you, you know, because my friend, you know, she not have it, you know. She have it hard, and me thank you for your help her out.
How you say, man? I'm my greatest joy to lock up some little dirty boy, you know, when I'm in the youth, you know. I fix me come to fix Jamaica, you know. Oh. Fix me come to fix it.
Alright, I just that me come to tell you. Now go back down the yard.
Alright then, me page, me give him a proper page tomorrow morning. As they light. I can go on.
Alright.
Yeah man, what sweet him go so I him.
Rather
That David J. They said it get locked up, you know.
John, dog, I should even know, you know. Now, babe, mother, my youth, call police for me. Police lock me up. So, I don't mind me, youth, brother. I've been down a station all long.
So what you deal with? What go on? I mean by now mind you. What go on? You apply so much place and how much sitting. You say how much bar. Every way, apply so how much sitting. So what you mean by now mind you?
Not because you see me a bar of floss and a drink and I go along. You see me? Enough for the time and I have my money I spend. And enough time I ensure so I give them a little thing. If you can make them little survive. But I not have no money, brother. I'm not rich.
Why a little thing now go work, you know? Because right now, modern time, I don't know a thing go. You have to make sure and say things straighten up. You say you're going to trouble.
Let me tell you this. You take what you take and you do what you do. You see me? So until me can actually provide fully, you just do what you do. I just say you go. You man have to understand, brother. Me have to eat, you know. Me have to survive.
Why, General, I tell you, you know, I have 2 youth, you know, and I have to go hard, very hard out for them. If I have barefoot, I have to wear to make certain say they're good.
Brother, that one woman that way you get, you know, you better say thank God, you know, brother. And that me I tell you.
I have enough spirit in my drink, you know, brother. So I know what to do, you know, you see me? So I think more shut up.
Don't know you going on that.
Yeah,
So,
man.
Andy, what am to your sister?
Why you don't get my sister for breathe, you know? Because emotion I go rough.
You're a man, man. You can't breathe a sister. Me? You can't deal with your sister?
No, but you don't know the thing go. I badness. You not deal with your own. I don't know it all. That's the badness. Do what you have to do.
What you think up, man?
Yeah, man.
Pony, where the pen you?
Do what you have to do.
Hey, you. Stay right there. Don't move. Alright? Don't move, boy. Hey. Stop. Don't move. Stay right there. Stay right there. Where are you? Where are you? Get up.
I try
Get
to
up.
shoot me.
You know, get up. Get up. Get up. Oh, yeah, run. Hey, boy, I know say I kill me, she don't kill her right there, so.
Wait to tell me get all my lawyer.
See, man like you know, mash up the society, you know. Yo, come here, make me dirty up myself. You feel mind your youth, my youth. And I make me have to come back at you again because see, next time, I tell you something, long run, short catch.
Yo, you see all my baby mother, she yo. You see all them sitting here. A fool, she take me for you, man. I kick her down the next time I see her, you know, man. Yo, me like me a thief to you. Look how you come hold on for me. Me like thief to you.
Then if you're not thief, what you run for?
Cause you harass me every minute.
Stop run for your responsibility, boy, for me have to conk in your head again.
Me like you come on this, you know.
You feel like say, you have liar money, but you don't have pitney money. You can't go like you're big and strong. Turn up right here, so. You're lucky in here and see next time, and your head it go on your foot. You feel say me a boss in a year next time, watch it a year. It's either me I go put it on the fridge, or you go mind your youth, you hear that? You hear that? Come on, man. Feel like you're big and strong. Watch it.
Yeah, man, kiss your teeth. I your fault. If you take care of Pitney, you do want me. Me want you much time. Me never was like this. So all of a sudden you change and me can't manage me alone. I pay rent and I take care of Pitney. Me not have a problem to take care of me, no call for me baby. But you can do better, man.
Woman, you see, you know, you can't believe you that really tell the judge, you know. You say if me did that work. When I did that breed, me did every doctor visit. All of them the money they misspend them out of my pocket.
Stop their life. Stop their life. I'm pregnant again. Stop their life. Stop it.
Who no bother with you out there, so? Are your part, yes? Because you get a child in our belly, so you can maintain it. And if you want to maintain the child, you won't reach us, so no bother with it.
You hear what your lady say? You hear what your lady say? No bother exalt yourself. If you thank God, say lady even go get one work give you. Because you want to get up every day, scam, and you're dungs.
Except when you want to.
Hey, no bother with it. You look like you want to go back where you come from. You want to go back behind bars? Relax yourself.
Put him back behind bars. Put him back behind bars. Can be that out of the mind calling the next man daddy.
You know, you take care of me now, because you can't style me again, you know. This is last me I come on now family court here. Just make sure so when time I want to see me out, me can see me out. And about the foolishness.
And so you fear talk. Because I'm tired feel like a father in Jamaica when I look out at you. I'm tired. I'm supposed to play a better role, man. And so you talk, I rate that. Look how the lady nice and sexy. You really want to see her in the next man arm and your daughter call the next man father or stepfather? Come on, man, you need to step up again, man. You really want to see a broken home? Come on, you can fix it for right or so.
No, I'm not unite with them. I'm not unite with them. When you put me through, you should never put me through that. Because you grew up in a broken home, you sit and you talk me and say, my father never take care of me. And I'm going to make sure say me different than I stand there. And I see them things from telling me I'm pregnant, you change. They are about it, woman, and I know say they are about it, woman. And I woman have a problem, but even when they come, I still take care of him. I have to deal for you take care of him. Just be a man and take care of him. Let the girl love you. You know, call me mommy. I know. I play daddy in talk about. And you're not playing a part in a little girl life. So me I beg you to just step up your game. Fear. Just fear. Please.
Alright.
Please.
I'm going to play a part in our life. I'm going to take full responsibility. But I just did go through one phase. I just one phase in my life. I mean, now I come to realize myself and I'm going to take my full
For
responsibility.
2 years and 9 months.
Listen to me, no, it take a man out more than that to find yourself. Man different from woman.
Alright, you don't know, so I want to say thank you for watching the movie to its entirety. So you are at the end of the movie and you're listening to my voice. It simply means that you watch the full length of it. Alright, in Jamaica, we know we have a problem as it pertains to single parenting. A lot of the times we see where females have to be the father and the mother. Bless upon yourself and continue to do the great job and be the great father that you are. And for the ones I'm out there, we not do a good job, we want to say to Uno say, yo, pull up on the socks, man, and ensure that Uno take care of you them, because them are the future. And in order for we have a better society, we have to have better role models as men. You know what I mean? So do the right job. And also, we know say we have some awful mothers out there, because me have friends who me I tell us that them not like them mother for some reason or another, because the mother wasn't a good mother. So we know say also you have bad mothers out there. So the one them we have bad mothers, pull up on the socks, man. And for the mothers them out there where I do a wonderful job already, we want to say continue and me lift my hats off to Uno, because a lot of the times you are the ones where make good men and make good women in society. Alright, so bless upon yourself. I remember say a movie we are do, so whatever on the scene of the movie, just know say a movie we are do. We are mimic real life, but it's not real life, it's movies. So big up on yourself, continue to support what we're doing. And if you guys want to contribute to what we are doing, we need all the help that we can get. You know what I mean? So we're not act like so we're rich and we have a bag of money. We are do what we can do, and as fire say it will take what you take and it will do what you do. So we need all the help we can get. So if persons out there want to contribute to what we are doing, especially in a financial sense, because I know sometimes people reach out to me and say, yo, I have this, I have that, I want to go. We appreciate that also, but from a financial standpoint, we know what are the things that we need. So if you don't send us money, we can actually use it for the things that we see fitting. We are going to help to develop what we are doing. You know what I say? So link me up on Instagram, Richard Brown Films, and let me know how you want to contribute. Or if you don't follow Instagram, you don't have an Instagram account, link me up on Facebook, Richard Brown Films is just the same. Or you can email me, richardbrownfilms@gmail.com. So big up on yourself, continue to support what we do while we continue to make great content like these for you guys. And also, remember to head over to 1010's channel, 1010 Original, and follow her, subscribe to our channel, and also head over to Candy Empress channel and subscribe to her channel. And Brownie have a channel too, Sherika. Share Nation. Remember, say, no, support Share Nation same way. And also we have the family channel same way, Paradise Nation. Make sure you subscribe to that. And all the other channels that are affiliated with Richard Brown Films, make sure you show support and continue to bless upon yourself. Big up. And remember, what public channel name? Public report? Official public report? Official public report. Big up on yourself, continue to support what we do while we continue to make great content for you guys, alright? Yeah, man.
Come. Where you run and go? Where you run go? What your problem?
Me a run me. Your man a trouble me.
Man a trouble you?
So hold on, where you came from now for? How much man this up on bicycle you?
I come from Donna Road and I see rain and set up and I see my pass and I ask him to.
Look at girl, look how long I see the girl shop. And yard you go.
Me a thought good while now and I never hear you mention to your one daughter.
Sure, tell me say I feel care this and you're nice. Oh, boy, me glad to see you, my daughter, man. Me happy to see you.
Remember you tell me say a mistake make me there? The stone that the builder refused, come turn the head corner stone.
Yeah man, so we have to wash the rice. We can't cook dirty rice. You know, have some people where we cook all the rice and then wash it. Then just put full water in it and put on it. We can't do that sitting. And we not use no river water to wash the rice either. We have to use pipe water and cook.
Yeah man, so
Yeah, make you whiskey. We call it whiskey.
Just
But why you put it on near here, Alton?
come here down long. Well, we'll take up some.
Pass the glue.
Can you maybe look some here and for long too?
Yeah.
so much things to put in the movie. One of them know what I go and see the share do her
See,
thing.
see?
Yeah.
Explain to her, they say, what is the name?
My name is Sharika, guys. You can call me Shar.
You see her talent, way beyond just being
I'm the
in front of the
director.
camera.
The
You
director.
know what I mean? Yeah, which director? You're a director.
So
Richard
me a
Brown, a
direct
director.
this.
So what I, yo,
No,
so what
I step away from the
This,
video, man.
Public,
what I'm doing is
so
me
public,
directing
So
it.
Alton, assume you should cut them right here.
No man,
You not
you done-
cut down,
you not cut down, man. I'm pretty
Yes, dog, you can't unless I'm fat here. They
The
have
man, no boy can't cut ramp with me in a prison. I hear that.
No, listen to me, I said,
Mr. Grow. Them
Alton,
people come on.
man.
Yeah, we know man. You can't cut, no, you can't cut them man.
Oh, yeah, man,
Can't
cut
cut
off somebody too long.
Turn around.
You can't
Trim it down,
prison,
trim
you
it down.
can't have prison 2 weeks.
I
Even
look so.
3 months. I hear that.
Because
Man,
put this a 3 month.
even 3 months, can't long somebody.
Don't fussy it up and just put them in there, you know, girl. I can feel the glue, there's a good on.
Rough.
You go feel the glue. All you need is a buckle of
Yo,
alcohol.
Alton, when I don't make him paste and something by something.
But my chest, that's a
Yeah, so when you have prison, you take a version.
What, Jesus?
No, man, 2 months, you
No.
can't have someone beard, man.
No, man, you cut
If
them.
you
You can't cut
can't
them.
cut down,
No,
so
man, you
this
can't
is
cook me. No, that's not here because you can use back, you know.
Give me one more piece of
Why you look like, ladies and gentlemen? I
Come
don't
just
even
do
know.
them piece and I'm go shoot.
Yo, when me look on the Alton, does look black. In here, make him look blacker. Like here, put a 10 shade of black on him.
God no?
No, man, this is one tough idea for a movie. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Go look at head back.
Yeah, man, a tough idea for a movie, you know, probably.
Mm-hmm.
Let me just see it same time.
So now you can't just catch me and I shave you now. Me a shave
And
and
you
then
go
bam,
shave it down.
get up, wash your face,
I
clean.
look like I call him again, Washington. Denzel Washington, yes, sir.
Yeah, when I time I go so piece over, get piece of.
You want some height for your eyebrow too?
No man. Piece over my eyebrow, make up yourself like me cut my eyebrow, cut off it and do a movie. And get that image off of it.
Alright, everything well pierced.
Come
so.
do this and make.
So you're in public for all a reason in jail, no.
What else you want me to do?
That's always a public. You're on all a reason.
But Ben was said you are going to stick for a while.
I lie. Wait, hold on. So Browning, say the glue now come off same time.
This guy was a buckle of alcohol and cook our hair.
Yo? It's alright, we must not forget it.
You can't come off same time, Alton?
Water, glue, water.
So, alright, so this is before, you know what I mean? Because we are getting ready for, we are getting ready for our move. Yo, you think we do not normal long as so? Richard Brown Films with it right now, get ready for part 2, not part 2, you know what I mean? Part few. So I want to see it, Mali epidemic, you know what I mean? You're running things. See, Sharia,
And the first plan.
I am scared. Wait. I'm nervous. Deep breath.
Breathing.
No man, this is something a female do all the while.
Me not even a female. What you take this thing for? Rough. Alright, sit down now. First job.
Just take it easy. Okay.
My God, what have I done?
It's like
What
an
is-
implant.
Oh, no,
Hair
take one picture.
implant.
Take one picture. I'll send it go give your wife.
Lord.
Can't get no kiss.
Oh my God! What the? Up there.
The public. Go on back and send public.
Gosh, not like a weird thing about pants.
And I say, she have to clean.
I mean, clean if you want to kiss me with your shiver. Your face coming like a grater. Move from yourself. Alright, just go back and go shiver.
I know say you have some female though who love hair from
Yeah, man, I
man,
love
hair
hair.
from face.
Yeah, she love beard.
Not just business. No, sir.
Oh shit. Well, she want them too, but may I tell you,
I can't help it.
how can be? Not true, I want to text her. Video call me.
So I'm on the finishing up of this look. Hail Selassie. What you say?
Boom for this. Rastafari. Rastafari. In God we trust. My God.
Yo, that look tough in that. Let's fucking know how they move here, dog.
Rough.
You might put them in a chicks. In a chicks, white chicks. In the sea.
Catch him on the camera. Feel like I disciple him. Hi, my name is Joseph. Do you know where the staff is? Yeah, Jaja, alright. Working hard. I saw come on, baby. Oh. Alright, we talk. Yeah, man, so. You see what I wrote, brother?
Yo, no, I'm moving like that. See, man, you give it up and down for me with the long dog.
You be laughing me belly happy, man.
Yo, that look, take a picture tonight, dog. So if you take a picture tonight, take it up.
Hey, look like your wife hard to laugh your public.
So what up? Yeah.
That's why I take a picture of it. That's why I take a picture of it cover.
Yeah, man.
Nah, chim mommy not for chim man.
Alright. Jaja.
You know none for your face with you.
You know, no, that's the way about them. Look at 40 years in a prison to blood club. Alright.
You never have no beard for you.
No.
I shave lion, man. Shave lion.
The public say I shave you like
Dog. Yeah, man, you know, say Jack great, you know? On the hills of Zion.
Can't laugh no more, no. Laugh no more, that at me.
Yeah, man, this look dangerous, you know? Who this?
Give me this.